A quality wrap takes time. We get it. Your vehicle is your office and you rely on it every day. Because of that, we are often asked to complete wraps in unrealistically short timeframes. The reality is simple. A great install can't be rushed. Just like a haircut, if you try to do it quicker than it should be done, there will be compromises and the results won't be good for anyone. Vehicle wrapping is a skilled process with specific steps that must be followed correctly. Shortcutting any part of the process can compromise the appearance of the wrap, its lifespan, or both. At Tradie Wraps, we refuse to rush installs at the expense of quality. That's why we offer free loan vehicles in Melbourne, so you can stay on the road while we take the time required to install your wrap properly and professionally.